Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text color in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document and take some text. Now we want to change text color in this Publisher document. Firstly, select some text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu and we can see here many options. We find and select the change font color option. Then click the font color drop down menu and we can see here many color. Now I choose the red color. Then apply the same process in another text. Firstly select the text, then go to the font color option, then change the font color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.